Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another wig review and install. I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig and what I did to get it this way, which was nothing. Okay, you guys. So this wig was sent to me by SAMS Beauty. They sent over their studio cut invisible deep part wig, you guys. So this is a hand tied curve part wig. Okay, so the style that I'm wearing is called Francesca. And the color that I have is number 1. So this right here is what the stock card is giving, okay, you guys? So y'all, this hair is so full if you cannot tell. Look at the curl pattern though, y'all. It's beautiful. So this right here is this side, you guys. It's so full. Super long as well, you guys. Super long, okay? So you guys, this is heat resistant fibers, curling iron safe up to 360 degrees. So I did go in and put a curler on my curler to the middle part because it was a little bulky and I wanted it to be a little flat. So I did go in and do that as well, but other than that, I didn't go in and put concealer powder or nothing in my part. And I guess I just wanted to show you guys what this unit is giving completely out the pack, okay? So you can go in and put some of your powder if you want it to look a little bit more realistic as well. This right here is the lace that you get for your curved part right here. You don't have lace that you have to cut off this wig, so that's a plus. You do not have to glue this wig down. This wig is obviously glueless, so that's another plus with this wig, you guys. Tangling, every once in a while I did get a little bit of tangling, but you know what I'm saying, just comb your fingers through it. Shedding, you guys, I did get some shedding with this unit as well, but that's no biggie because we do know this is a synthetic wig. You're going to get a couple of strands here and there. And would I wear this wig every day? Probably not, because I wouldn't want it to mat up. So, you know, you wear it in the day, take it off at night, put it back up, you know, keep it neat or whatever. But I do like the color. I like the length as well. Like I said, it's really long. I'm not sure how many inches this unit is, but I will link it up here in the corner. Let me show you guys up there in the corner as well. But that's all that I really have to say about this wig. I like the texture. It's like a yaki texture. Yes, like yaki. Yeah. But anyway, I like this wig, you guys. Thanks SAMS Beauty for sending me out this wig. If you guys like this unit, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this unit as well, you guys. Don't forget to share with your family and your friends, you guys, because remember, sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.